Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Brittany. Welcome to those of you who are new. Today we are going to be playing with a new palette that I am like super excited to play with. This is the Milk Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette. Ugh, can't open it. She looks like this. Super pretty. You can see my nostrils. Yeah, we're gonna start off. I did my eyebrows already off camera. I think I'm going like thinner every time. I used to do them like thick, and then I just lost it. Not lost it, but I just lost the hand for a thick brow. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the blur shade from one of the stacks. I don't remember the name of it because they're all like mixed up. So now I'm gonna go with the shade called Rubbish. These are available. I'm using the stacks just because I know they're accessible right now and they're in stock. So if you're curious or anything, just go ahead and grab them. They're amazing. They're the best. Milk Cosmetics is fire. Well, I'm going to do a look that Karen I Love Sarai did on her channel using the Natasha Denona palette. I saw her video on it and I'm gonna try to do that, but we'll see how this ends up going. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the shade Rubbish, and then this brush. This is a Morphe M167. Just gonna put that right here. Gonna blend that out. This is a Time 206 brush. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a shade called Space Queen, which is this color right here. So pretty. I even did my nails this color because I wanted to do a look with this palette. So I don't know, I'm weird like that. But anyways. Here we go. I know this is pigmented because I saw a tutorial that Shayla did, and the shade is pigmented AF. So it's packing on really nice. I don't have a problem with it. I'm gonna do a halo eye. We'll see how this ends up turning out. I'm gonna go back in with the Rubbish shade and then kind of blend that out. Okay, it's kind of getting lost there, so I'm not going to use the shade anymore. Okay, now I'm going to actually stamp a half cut crease, so like here, 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 with the same base that I used earlier. Back in and like blend this. I'm gonna use the shade Gravity OG and then place that right on the center. I'm gonna use my finger actually because these are so creamy and buttery. So I used my brush and it picked up a little bit. But it works better with your finger, I find. So we're gonna blend that again. We can move on to the rest of the face. For primer today, we're going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. We're also going to use the No Poreblem from Touch in Sol for the pores. Today we're going to be using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation in the shade Tawny. I hope this is my shade, because if not, it's going to really suck. Now, okay. Doesn't look too bad. Looks a little dark, but hopefully this will not oxidize. Actually, this is a perfect match for me. So if you are my skin tone in the shade 310 for Fenty, I'm in the shade Tawny in the Flower Beauty foundation. I'm just going with my beauty blender and we're gonna pounce this right into the skin, kind of removing the excess of that. This is actually a really dewy foundation. I'm not mad at it, but I'm like not used to it because this is out of my comfort zone. Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11. I know this is probably getting old, but we're gonna use the Wet n Wild contour stick. I love this thing, it's amazing, and we're gonna use her again. So if you're tired of seeing her, I'm sorry, but like this contour. The Fenty Beauty Universal Blotting Powder. I'll put that on my under eyes. And we're gonna put that right here. Very light layer. We're going to use the Melt Cosmetics Gold Ore. We're gonna use the Becca and Christy Teigen palette and use the blush shade, which is this one right here. Bronzer in here as well. I was supposed to do the bronzer first, but whatever. I'm gonna go back with Space Clean, which is this beautiful teal color. So pretty. And just put that right down here on the lower lash line. Alright, so we're gonna actually use this shade called Blue Dream right on the inner tear duct. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we'll see. Whoa, this is creamy. Ooh, that's really nice. Use Blur. Pop that right on the literally highest point. Really digging this inner corner right now. My Melt Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade 1987. I feel like I needed something deeper. Alright, so I added my lashes mascara. I added black liner. These are the Boss Lady lashes from Time Los Angeles. I've used them in my past tutorials like consistently. They're like my favorite lashes that I like to have with any and every look. I didn't want to do eyeliner because I felt like it was going to take away from the look. You can hear my abuelo playing the guitar right now. He's in the living room. So I did purchase the On The Go lipstick. This is a matte lipstick. Looks like this. It's like a mauvey nude. I have not tried it on yet, so we're gonna find out together. We'll see if it even goes with this look, because it's like really, you know. I'm using MAC's Hoover lip liner. This color is so pretty. Oh my god. What do we think? Do we like? Do we love? Do we need a nude? This is the first lip combo. MAC Hoover lip liner and On The Go lipstick. Okay. For some reason, I'm loving this instead. I don't know if the color combination looks good. Ended up taking off everything because I couldn't figure out what color I liked the most. So I just took off literally everything, and I used the lip gloss, the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Fantasia, this is all that I have on my lips, and I feel like it's more neutral because I have so much going on here than, you know, it's too much. But I don't know, what do you think? Do you like this one better or the matte one better? 710. Let me know in the comments below. I had to turn the camera back on just because I wasn't sure what I liked, but I like how this ended up turning out. So thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Toodles. Yes?
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Ya no te distraí.
It's okay. It's okay. Gloria!
Yeah.
It's okay!
Okay. What's up, baby? No, tú chingale, te voy a cerrar la puerta ya.